More manpower there.
Yes, definitely. And development of rural market.
The one you mentioned.
Then agriculture and liabilities.
I'll be in touch with the MLA and we'll work together on this. Okay?
This one, sir, very important. Secondly, there's no PH between sir in dispensary.
Okay.
Written to the
Okay. Then I'll do talk.
So, to told the individual that we have a lack of property, he is also trying to manage it. So, what happened?
We can do it. Yeah, we can do it somewhere where we can have a case wherever qualified. Maybe some private consultation. I talk to you. We'll have a meeting. Okay. Thank you.